In every major city in Asia, thousands of people use two-wheelers to go to work every day. The outdoor air quality is deteriorating day by day from all the smoke and dust from vehicles and factories. One of the harmful pollutants in the air is particulate matter, a mixture of tiny dust, soil, and metal particles suspended in the air. Particulate matter less than 2.5 microns in size, PM 2.5 in short, are the most harmful. They enter deep into your respiratory organs and get deposited, causing a variety of respiratory illnesses and even death in some cases. The only solution available today to protect yourself from PM 2.5 outdoors is pollution masks. The biggest drawback with these masks is that they obstruct breathing and feel uncomfortable just from a few minutes of wearing. These masks also need to be replaced often to be effective, and the cost of ownership accumulates over time. Introducing the world's first personal smart air purifier, Aerion Companion. This device runs on battery and you can mount this device onto your helmet, hard hat or cap. Unlike the masks that use filtration, this product sprays negative ions to remove particulate matter from the air you inhale. Negative ions are present in our environment where air is stirred up, especially around waterfalls, ocean surf and hillside. Think of how clean and fresh you feel near a waterfall. Let's see Aerion device in action. We are now filling up this glass box with dust, and Aerion air purifier is also placed inside the glass box. Once we turn the device on, you can notice that all the dust is cleared up within a few seconds.
With Aerion Companion, we create a clean air bubble in front of your face to protect you from outdoor air pollution. Unlike other ionizer-based air purifiers attempted in the past, we use an innovative combination of high-performance ionizer, a mechanism to block cross-flow of dirty air, and a downward spray of ions to maintain a clean air bubble right in front of your face. Our devices also have air quality sensor and Bluetooth connectivity. They can provide localized air quality data in real time, and when integrated with Google Maps through our API, we can recommend the least polluted route to your destination.
We have started off this journey in early 2017, and now we have the working prototype in a 3D printed enclosure. We are testing this product with the customers in select cities and working on refining the product further.
We are in a place called Dindigul. We have taken about 5 to 6 several readings. So the conditions that we have seen today in Dindigul is ranging anywhere between about 150 to say about 270 to 280. With the ionizer on, the conditions are bringing down the PM levels to the tune of about 30 to 50 micrograms per meter cube.
Don't cover your face. Be free with Aerion.
Our next step is capital intensive mass manufacturing of this product.
We need your support to bring this product to market.
Come, partner with us in our journey.
Aerion Companion, the world's first personal smart air purifier.